James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a new item. This is a smart TV box. This is made by Beelink. This model is their GT King Pro. Now let me give you a little rundown of some of the specs before we get into it. It is an Android 9.0 system, so it does have the current 9.0. I believe they have a 10.0 out now, but this has the 9.0. The GPU is an ARM Mali G52 MP6. The CPU is an Amlogic S9 22X-8, I believe. That's off the top of my head, which is a core. The core is a hexa core. It does have dual band Wi-Fi, so it'll have 2.4 or 2.5 and 5 point something. If I remember right, I believe it's 5.5 gigs or 5 gigahertz, and it should be either 2.4 or 2.5 gigahertz for the lower end. It does have a Bluetooth, which is 4.1, which is pretty good. The RAM in it is a 4 gigabyte of DDR4 RAM. The memory space is 64 gigabytes. 64 gigabytes, I'm pretty sure. Now, I tried to memorize all this without looking at it, but I can pull it over and we can tell you if I was correct. On the back side, yep, see, memory is 4 gigabytes, storage is 64 gigabytes. So it is HDMI 2.10 display at 4K at 75 megabytes. Not sure why it says megabytes. It should be frames per second. So this may be a misprint on the box. Don't hold me at it. This one thing I did not say, this does have a remote control, which is voice controlled. So that is pretty cool. You know, you have several buttons, plus you have USB 3.0s on it, USB 2.0, you have the DC-in, you have the power buttons, you know, HDMI, SD card slot, so you can expand it, plus your lane port RJ45, which most of them have nowadays. Your network is, like I said, 2.4 gigahertz to 5.8 gigahertz, so I was wrong there. I apologize. I was trying to do it off the top of my head, but like I said, this is the Beelink GT King Pro. We're going to actually pull this open for you guys. You guys are going to actually like this. The box itself has a skull on it, which is pretty cool. I like that design. It is Dolby Audio, so it has DTS Listen Dolby Audio, which means surround sound. That is in the box. We'll get into that in a second. You have the user manual, which is in English. Pop it open with remote control, the power cord, HDMI. So I'm going to set this box in the back once I close it. User manual, like usual, tells you thank you for purchasing the Beelink TV box. Please read the manual. Shows you what all the buttons are, lane ports and stuff like that. Pretty much self-explanatory if you've done a lot of this. If not, the book will help you. I will also be doing a video to walk you through it. So the manual pretty much walks you through everything. Several languages. The remote, like I said, it is voice activated. Now, this remote has the Bluetooth dongle in it. I wasn't expecting the Bluetooth dongle to be in it. I figured it'd be built in. We will actually test that out and make sure if we need it or not. I'm going to say you probably don't. I mean, if you have Bluetooth, why would you need another one? But, you know, your voice, page up and down, volume up and down, mute, delete, power, mouse, home button, back, and pretty much everything pretty simple. Power plug, normal power plug. You know, most people know how to use a power plug. HDMI, probably a good 6 feet cord, not bad. Now the box itself, like I said, it does have the logo, their logo, little skull. On the front it says, "Connect to a wonderful life." This is the screen you'll be seeing. On the side, this is your SD card. It is not micro, so you're going to have to go with the bigger one. You have two USB 3.0s right here. On the back, you'll have your DC port. You actually have an RS-30 or RS, well, yeah, right, RS-232. Haven't seen one of those in a while. I'm not sure why it's on here, but hey, they threw it in there. HDMI, which is what we'll be running it. Then your lane, then your audio jack left and right. And then over here you have two more USB 3.0s. So they're all blue, so I'm going to say they're all USB 3.0s. On the back, you know, just the barcode stuff. Has a little bit of weight to it, not too heavy, but it is definitely hideable. So that is the unboxing of the Bell Link GT King Pro, which is about $190 on Amazon right now. I will leave a link to that in the description below. But I will also be doing a full install software walkthrough. Plus, I'll be doing a full written on DragonBlogger.com to come. So keep your eyes out for that. And thank you for checking out my unboxing. And thank you.